Oliver, Mr. Oliver's resource page. Mr. Oliver, Mr. Oliver, Mr. Oliver's resource page. Mr. Oliver, Mr. Oliver, Mr. Oliver's resource page. Oh, Unit 5, Lesson 9, homework. And today was all about kind of ordering decimals, whether it's from greatest to least or least to greatest, or you take multiple decimals and you need to put them in order depending on what you're doing. So the best thing about what we're doing today is we already identified the steps to kind of order these things, and we did that with Unit 5, Lesson 5 homework. So I went ahead and just snatched those steps, and I'm probably going to put them in the corner. I don't know whether to the right or to the left. One of these corners. I'm going to put them in the corner here. But we'll just do a quick overview of those lessons. The overview of those steps real quick. First of all, you want to line up the decimal points. Add zeros to the missing digits to make sure both numbers have the same number of place values. That's what I like to call balancing the decimals. Then you start with the leftmost column and compare the digits. If the digits are the same, you keep going until you compare them, until you find different digits. And when you find the different digits, you'll be able to decide which one's bigger, and we'll be able to put them in different orders. All right. Okay, so now let's apply all those steps we just went over and apply them to the following problem, because what we would like to do is order the following numbers from greatest to least. Those numbers are 1 in 857 thousandths. We have 1 in 8 tenths, 1 in 84 hundredths, and 1 in 856 thousandths. So the first thing that we want to do is put all of those numbers in our placement value chart. Okay, we put them in our placement value chart because we want to line up the decimal. It's important that everything is in its own place value. All right, and once we do that, we realize that we are going to have to add some zeros just to balance everything out. We're going to have to add 2 zeros to our 1 in 8 tenths. And then we want to put a 0 down at the end of our 1 in 84 hundredths so that we can have everything has a place value from our ones place to our thousands. So now that everything is balanced, we can go ahead and take a look at all these numbers, starting from the leftmost column. From the leftmost is our ones place. As we notice, everything in the ones place is a 1. So let's go ahead and jump to that next one. We'll go to our tenths place. We still got the same problem. Everything is still, it's all the same number. Everything is an 8. Okay, now let's go to our hundredths place. Let's see if we have any differences. And I think we see some because we have a 5 in our hundredths place. We got a 0 in our hundredths place. We have a 4 in our hundredths place. And we have a 5 in our hundredths place. So those two numbers, we know the 1 in 8 tenths is going to be the very smallest number that we have. And 1 in 84 hundredths is going to be the second smallest one. So 1 in 84 hundredths is the third largest. And 1 in 8 tenths is our very smallest one. It's the smallest number we have. So now let's see what we can do, because we have 1 in 857 thousandths and 1 in 856 thousandths left. So now we got to look at our thousands place and see which one's bigger. And since we have a 7 versus a 6, we know that 1 in 857 thousandths is our largest number, and 1 in 856 thousandths is our second largest number. So we got our order. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go ahead and label them. And that's where it's at.
Tens, hundreds, thousands, to the right, tens, hundreds, thousands, placement value, tens, hundreds, thousands, to the right, tens, hundreds, thousands, placement value, tens, hundreds, thousands, to the right, tens, hundreds, thousands, placement value, tens, hundreds, thousands, to the right, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1/10 equals 10 hundredths equals 100 thousandths. Yeah, we getting. 1/10 equals 10 hundreds equals 100,000s. Yeah, we getting money, money. 1/10 equals 10 hundreds equals 100,000s. Yeah, we getting money, money. 1/10 equals 10 hundreds equals 100,000s. Yeah, we getting. 1/10 equals 10 hundreds equals 100,000s. Yeah, we getting money. Yeah, tens, hundreds, thousands. To the right, tens, hundreds, thousands. Placement value, tens, hundreds, thousands. To the right, tens, hundreds, thousands. Placement value, tens, hundreds, thousands. To the right, tens, hundreds, thousands. Placement value, tens, hundreds, thousands. To the right, tens, hundreds, thousands. Placement value, 1/10 equals 10 hundreds equals 100,000. Yeah, we getting. 1/10 equals 10 hundreds equals 100,000s. Yeah, we getting money, money.